Chapter 20, Example 6. Teens are at the greatest risk of being killed or injured in traffic crashes. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, 65% of young people killed were not wearing a safety belt. In 2001, a total of 3,322 teens were killed in motor vehicle crashes, an average of 9 teenagers a day. Because many of the deaths could be easily prevented by the use of safety belts, several states have begun click it or ticket campaigns in which increased enforcement and publicity have resulted in significantly higher seatbelt use. Overall use in Massachusetts quickly increased from 51% in 2002 to 64.8% in 2006, with the goal of surpassing the national average of 82%. Recently, a local newspaper reported that a roadblock resulted in 23 tickets to drivers who were unbelted out of 134 stopped for inspection. Does this provide evidence that a goal of over 82% compliance was met? Well, so since we want evidence, we are going to do a hypothesis test. And we begin by stating the hypothesis. So H naught, the null hypothesis, will be that P equals 0.82. That is what we believe our true value is from the problem. HA, our alternative, will be that proportion is greater than 0.82, so P is greater than 0.82. It has increased. Now we've got our hypotheses, we need to check the conditions. While the roadblock does not provide a random sample, we will assume it is representative of all Massachusetts drivers. $134 is less than 10% of all Massachusetts drivers, and 113 wore seatbelts, 23 did not, both at least 10. The conditions are met. I will use the normal model for a 1 proportion Z test. So P equals 0.82, N equals 134. P hat will be 113 over 134, which equals 0.843284. Sigma equals 0.033189. I'm not showing the calculations here, but we know the formula. Remember that you're using the national study result, national numbers, not the study proportion. So you're using P, the 0.82. So Z equals 0.843284 minus 0.82 over our sigma, which is 0.033189. And this equals 0.701558. So we have a z-score of 0.70. So the probability that z is greater than 0.7 equals 1 minus 0.7580, which is 0.2420. So you should do a quick sketch of the normal curve so you can see, are we finding the value to the left or the right, which helps us to know if we have to subtract from 1 or not. Okay, so 0.2420, that's a pretty big p-value. My p-value of 0.2420 is high, and I will fail to reject the null hypothesis. There is not sufficient evidence to suggest that the seatbelt usage rate in Massachusetts is above the national average.